Hello everyone, welcome to this tour of Notion OKRs Tracker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the template and all of its features. This template is free and can be downloaded from the link in the description. So let's get started. We have two main components, objectives and key results. Let's start by adding a new objective and let's call it increase brand awareness. Let's assign deadline, a quarter, a department, and the owner is a person property. You can also include a brief description so others know why it matters. Let's define the key results. Let's, for example, say reach 10,000 active monthly users. As you can see here, the objective is linked automatically with the specific objective. Let's define the owner, the current progress. Let's say it's 4,000. And the target is 10,000. As you can see here, the progress bar of this specific key result is updated automatically from the target and the current. And the overall objective progress is also updated. Let's add another key result. Let's say the current is 40,000 and the target is gonna be 100,000. As you can see, the progress bar here is also 40% and the overall progress is 40% as well. Let's, for example, say it's 70,000. As you can see here, the progress is 70% and the overall progress is 55%. Let's put both of those two in progress and let's go back to the main dashboard. As you can see here, the objective that we just created is appearing on the Kanban view. We can simply update the status directly from here. And on the key results database, we can see the key results related to our objective. You can update those numbers directly from here. So let's say instead of 4,000, let's say it's gonna be 10,000. So we can see that the progress here is 100%. So we can simply change the status from in progress to done. And then we can see that the overall progress is also updating here to 85%. And let's also change this to 100,000 and the overall is saying 100%. So we can simply change the status to done and it's going to disappear from this view. And then we can simply change the status here to completed. So it's going to say that this objective is completed. We also have multiple views for this year, so it's going to show you all the objectives for this year. As you can see here, the filter for this year. We also have a table view of active objectives with the status of in progress and to do, the completed ones, and the table view of all the objectives we have. And for key results, we have a view of active key results, the key results with the status of to do in progress, a view of key results with the status of at risk, and the completed ones by the objectives. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you in the next one.